Hello, hi, good morning. So welcome to the Angular tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the what is the differences between the AngularJS and Angular. Okay. So for that, we need to understand what first of all we need to understand what is AngularJS and the Angular. Okay. So what is the AngularJS? AngularJS is an open source applications development framework that rests on JavaScript. It is widely used to build highly dynamic websites and web applications, especially when development timelines are pretty tight. That means AngularJS is an open source application development framework. It is basically a development framework that rests on JavaScript. That based on the JavaScript content, it is being designed. Okay, so it is widely used to build highly dynamic websites and applications. Basically it is used to uh, create or develop a dynamic websites and web applications, especially when development timelines are pretty tight. That means when development is to be done very fastly. So that time the AngularJS is used. Okay. So now what we need to understand what is Angular. Angular is an open source web application framework maintained by Google and a community of developers. It is designed to build dynamic and interactive single-page applications efficiently. With Angular, developers can create a robust, scalable, and maintainable applications. That means Angular is an open source web application framework. It is also a web application framework maintained by Google and a community of developers. Combinedly, a community of developers and the Google company both are combinedly maintaining the Angular. Okay, so it is designed to build a dynamic and interactive single-page applications efficiently. Based for which purpose it is designed? It is designed to build or develop or create our dynamic and interactive single applications. With Angular, developers can create robust, scalable, and maintainable web applications. And developers can create a robust, scalable, and maintainable web applications using the Angular. Okay, so now next we have to understand what is the differences between AngularJS and the Angular. First of all, architecture. It supports the model view controller design. The view processes the information available in the model to generate the output. It uses and that is AngularJS. Angular it uses the components and the directives. Components are the directives with a template. Angular is it uses the and components and the directives. AngularJS it supports the model view controller MVC structure. It is designed on the MVC structure. It is Angular is designed on the component and the directive templates. Written language. The AngularJS is written using the JavaScript. Uh, Angular can be written using the TypeScript language. Mobile support. It does not support the mobile browsers. AngularJS does not support the mobile browsers, and the Angular supports the by all these popular mobile browsers. Dependency injection. It does not use a dependency injection. Angular does not use any dependency injections. Angular. Angular supports the hierarchical and robust dependency injection. Supported languages. It supports JavaScript. It supports it, but support for TypeScript and JavaScript. Angular both support TypeScript and JavaScript, but Angular just only supports the JavaScript. Okay. Thank you.